Ever wonder why 90% of traders lose money? It's not just psychology or poor strategy, it's because they don't use the right tools. And that's exactly what this series is going to fix. Welcome to episode 1 of Top Tools Every Trader Must Use, where I break down the exact tools that can transform your trades. Whether you're a beginner or already trading, the right tool can save hours and protect lakhs. There are 3 reasons why tools are essential. Speed. Markets move fast. A good scanner shows opportunities in real time. Clarity. Charting tools simplify complex price actions. Discipline. Backtesting and journaling tools keep emotions out. Using the right mix of tools means you're not guessing. You're executing a system. In the next videos, I'll walk you through charting tools like TradingView and charting scanners, backtesters, algo platforms, risk management and journaling tools, and the exact tech stack I personally use. All explained in a simple, no-fluff way. So if you're serious about leveling up your trading game, subscribe and follow this 10-part journey. And tell me in the comments, which tool do you use the most today? The tools you use can make or break your portfolio.